Hi guys, so my name is Chelsea and this is my first YouTube video. When I was thinking of like doing YouTube, I was like, I don't even know where to start, like what video do you record? And then I literally went into Boots the other day and I just got loads of drugstore bits, so I thought what a better way to kickstart my channel with doing like a full coverage drugstore base. Because I usually use high-end stuff, but I've seen so many people, YouTubers, rave about these products that I'm going to use in the video, and I thought why not? So that is what the video is going to be about today. So if you like this look, then please keep on watching. I will just let you know that the brows and the lips aren't drugstore, but everything else is. So yeah, please keep on watching. I've already moisturised my skin, but I'm going to start off by using the Rimmel Sun Shimmer Instant Tan in Light Matte. As you can see, I'm really fair at the moment, but I love to have a warmer foundation, and I always like to use this product just so underneath the skin and with the foundation it gives me that really nice bronzy colour, and I feel like it gives me more of like an even kind of look to the skin. So what I literally do with this is I just literally take a cheap foundation brush, because I literally only use it for this. I mean, you can mix it with your moisturiser, put it on with your fingers, but I prefer putting it on with a brush. I feel as though I get a nicer coverage. So literally take the smallest amount. As you can see, it is quite dark. And I literally just buff it into the skin. But yeah, always ensure that you moisturise before you do this, because you'll find that when you put this straight onto the skin without any moisturiser, that, you know, it could cling to like drier patches and stuff. So, and also like bring it down to the neck as well, as you don't want like a brown face and a white neck. But yeah, you can use this for body as well, but I mean, I need to fake tan actually, like again, because I usually use the Bondi Sands Ultra Dark. But I am due a tan, but my foundation obviously is for when I'm tanned, so it's a bit like, okay then. Just looks so much better already. I'm literally just so white, like so it's so frustrating. So that just looks so much better already, so much better. So next I'm going to use the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Mattifying Base, just to prime the skin before my foundation. I mean, it's just obviously going to keep the foundation on for a little bit longer, you know, ensure that it just fills in any like little pores and stuff. I'm going to use, so I have been watching YouTube, like I am obsessed with YouTube. I watch so many beauty gurus, and I've seen so many people rave about the Maybelline Superstay 24 Hour. I'm a high-end girl, I don't really wear drugstore, but I thought, do you know what, I'm going to try it out. And I've heard so many good reviews, and I have tested out before and I literally love it. Keeps the oils at bay, gives me such a nice full coverage. At the same time I feel like it doesn't look like I'm ploughed in makeup, so I do really like it. And the brush I'm going to be using today is the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Complexion brush. I literally love this brush. It's got two ends, one side for like foundation, the other side if you want to conceal and do like a bit of contouring with, like if you want to put it on. So I'll just rub a bit of this on the back of my hand. So with foundation, I like to do like a quite an even layer, like light layer to start off, and then I do like a stamping method, which I will show you, where I just like to like build up the coverage a little bit. Always bring it down to the neck. Yeah, don't judge me. I know my foundation is really tan for me at the moment, but I am due a tan. And also, as long as it's, you know, blended into the neck, it's kind of all that matters really. You just don't want a harsh line. Like if you're going to go dark with a foundation, you need to like blend it, you need to bring it down to your neck. And then what I literally do is take the excess and I literally just stamp into the skin. And this just naturally builds up coverage, but not too much. And then where you put that light layer underneath, and then you've done the stamping technique, you've only got the coverage in the areas that you want it. You haven't got like a load of coverage all over. So the next step is concealer. So I have literally heard so many good reviews about this concealer, and it is the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. I'm in C8.5. Yeah, I've literally heard so much. I've heard it's like a dupe for like the tart shaped tape. Only thing is, it's quite a small little bottle and I feel like you can get through this quite easily. But I've heard they're bringing out like a jumbo size, which is amazing. And I can't remember how much it was, but it was like such a good price, like so cheap. That's why I love drugstore. Do love a bit of drugstore. What is that on my face? So yeah, how I do my concealer, I literally just go straight onto the skin. It can look a bit scary. Underneath the eyes. Because I've got quite dark circles, so I just want to make sure that they're covered. Down the nose. And then I'll do a little bit on the forehead, like so. And then I take, so basically when I went to the drugstore the other day and I was getting some bits, it's like 3 for 2 and you basically got like a free beauty blender. I know this is disgusting, but I have been using it, so that's why it's the colour it is. But it's like M on it, and it's like by Mast or something. But yeah, I got it free and I was like, oh my god. And yeah, so I do use a beauty blender. I've been using the Real Techniques one, but I thought I'll give this one a go, and I do actually really like it. Like, it just blends out. Like, it really like works with this concealer really well. Like, they really blend like really nicely. See, like blends out so nice. Like, I love this concealer. I like to bring my concealer like quite far down. I think it just gives you that really nice like highlighted. Lol, I can't speak today. Highlighted finish. Like, I do really like it. I like to put it down on my nose as well. I'm really liking how the skin's looking. I feel like it's a nice coverage. You know, it's quite highlighted and I really like that. Powder. So I'm a huge fan of Laura Mercier, but I ran out the other day and I thought, oh my god, like, you know when you're waiting for payday and you're like, I'm so poor. But as I was in the drugstore, I've heard so many people rave about Collection Sheer Loose powder, and I've given it a go and it's not bad. Like, it's not, like, it does the job. Like, obviously, personally I prefer Laura Mercier, but it's not bad. I think it was literally £2. So you can't complain. When something's £2, I don't think you can complain. Like, as long as it does the job, that's all that matters. So I'm literally just taking my Real Techniques, oh lol, it's a contour brush, but it's quite nice and tapered. I like to use it for like underneath my eyes, and I use it for contouring as well. So I really like using this brush. Sometimes I set it with a beauty blender, but I've been using this brush and I do quite like it. So I just set underneath the eyes first. Also, if I sound a bit weird, I have got a cold, so I might sound a bit like manly. So yeah, I like to just set my whole face really. I've got like combination skin, so I'm not mega oily, but I'm not mega dry, so I do set my whole face. So I'm all set and ready to go. Next thing is bronzer. The bronzer I am using today is the NYX matte bronzer. I love NYX. I think NYX is amazing, especially for a drugstore brand. Like, their products are such good quality. And I can't open it, oh my god. I have the colour Deep Tan. It's just a really nice bronzing colour. I've used it a couple of times and I actually really like it. I take like a big bronzing brush. I'm using the Sharp Tilbury bronzing brush. Tap the excess, and I just bronze. I think like bronzer is my favourite part of my makeup. I just love a bit of bronzer. I think bronzer literally, like, and contouring, like, changes your face so much. What has happened there? I feel so bronzy, I love it. I just like to use like a bigger brush first, so I feel like you get more like a sun-kissed glow, and then when you use a smaller brush you get more like definition. I love being bronzed. I have been obsessed with this highlighter. This is the Maybelline Master Chrome and it is in Molten Gold. I have been obsessed. I don't know, I think it was Jeffree Star. I saw him review it and I was like, oh my god. Yeah, it's amazing. Like, it's so lovely. It's just such a nice gold chromey colour. So yeah, I'd like to put my highlighter just like on top of the cheekbones, down the centre of the face, and I also like to get my finger and just, oh my god. Yeah, do that, but not obviously as much as I did. Lol. So yeah, they're the main places I like to highlight. It's crazy, and it's drugstore. What the hell? It's up in its game. I'm using Chelsea Boutique brow powder. I've had this for a while because I used to get the stencil kit because my eyebrows were so thin and I just needed to grow them out. And I got this powder with it. I used to use Anastasia Beverly Hills like dip brow. But yeah, I've run out of that. And the brush I'm using, this is an Anastasia Beverly Hills one, but it is so old that the number has come off and it's a bit broken. But yeah, that's the brush that I'm using. So how I like to do my brows, I mean, my brows are quite bushy. They've already got that shape there. But I like to just go underneath first. And then I do a bit at the top. But I don't really like to draw the front of the brow on. So I quite like that fade. Who doesn't love a good brow? I just think brows in general, they like frame your face so much. They literally change your face shape. And then I literally just brush the front of it up. So yeah, I don't really put much product at the front. I like to just get my brush and just like the pointier side and just clean it up a little bit. Do the exact same for the other brow. So that's my brows done. As you can see, I like them quite dark, like to match my root colour, and I love them bushy as well. But that's pretty much my brow shape. Like I just follow my natural brow shape anyway. The main focus today is the base. So yeah, thought I'd keep it nice and simple. But I have a little treat for you guys. This mascara is actually amazing. I really recommend it. I literally love Jordan Lipscomb. She's a YouTuber, and I saw her in my everyday makeup tutorial. She was using this, and I was actually like, it's so cool because it does this. So that when you do mascara, you haven't got like rest your arm weird. It just goes like that. That's so cool, isn't it? So to put mascara on my top lashes, I don't like to do it on my bottom. Just because personally, I feel like it suits me better like this. Why does this happen to me? I don't know. Look at that difference already. I literally have like non-existent lashes anyway. Look at that. How good is that? Lipstick, I'm just going to use my Charlotte Tilbury one. I literally love it. I wear it all the time. So the lip liner I use is Love Trap, which is this one. I literally love it. I just love like a brownie nude, and it is so good. I like to lip line all over my lip, not just on the like the edge of my lip, because obviously I like to define it, but I like to put it all over because I feel like it gives you that colour, and then we put the lipstick on top, it makes it last longer. Fun little tip of the day. And the lipstick I'm going to be using is Charlotte Tilbury in Stoned Rose. This is my favourite lip colour from there. I love it. I love nudes, and this is such a nice like brownie burnt orange nude. It is so lovely. I just love it. I love to get my lips done, but I'm just a bit too scared. Such a nice colour, isn't it? I literally love this colour. My favourite. I love a gloss, and this is in Hall of Fame Charlotte Tilbury. It usually is quite orangey, but it's like change colour, I think, because like obviously I've put it on top of like loads of lipsticks. But yeah, I love a gloss. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Yeah, please like, comment, subscribe. So like Halloween's coming up soon. I will be doing some Halloween kind of looks. I'm qualified in like special effects and face painting and stuff, so I will be doing some Halloween looks soon. So please comment down below any looks you want me to create. See you in my next video. I will show you like a little bit of mixture of high-end, drugstore, so on. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.